it's Claire at Diamond Painting Nerd and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be kitting up for my next project, which is going to be this one. I'm desperate to do this one. This one is the elephant and it's sprouting this rainbow of water, which the kits that I've done so far, I've had a lot of dark colours in, so I wanted to do something that was very colourful. There is a lot of colour blocking on this with the background, but I'm okay with that. I just want some happy colours. So I'm going to grab this out of my folio, which I've showed in a previous video. I've purchased this from Amazon and also in previous videos where I show how I store my diamond painting kits. And so we're going to get cracking with this. So this is my canvas and I'm going to be kitting it up in this Artdot case, which is super cute. This holds 30 and there's 28 colours in this kit, so that works out absolutely perfectly. So I'm going to grab out my drills. Sorry for the rustling. And then we'll have a look at these when we get them out. I didn't show these in detail in the haul video where I bought these, so I think let's just have a quick look at these drills now. And they're all, of course, they're all the same. They're round drills on this one, and they all look pretty good, to be fair. They don't seem to have many facets on, so I'm not too sure on how glittery this is going to end up being, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and get some scissors and get started. So what I'm going to do is, the way that I do it is I use the numbers rather than the color code. And the reason that I do that is because the when I then reuse the pots, I don't then have to relabel, and so that just works really well for me. Let's see if I can find my I'm not too sure where my other Sharpie is, so we'll just use a normal pen, I think, for this. A normal black pen, here we go. So I'm going to want numbers 1 to 28. I might as well just number the whole pots from 1 to 30, because, as I said, when I come to kit up, my next one, then I tend to work on numbers rather than symbols. And I know that on some of the more expensive premium kits you get the actual sticky labels that you can pop on your pots, but for me it's just as easy to have a look at the number, sorry, have a look at the, well, on this one, yeah, numbers and letters, and there's one symbol, and just find it from that. So I'm going to go ahead and just label all of these from 1 to 30. So we have numbers 1 to 20. So we have, let's just figure this out. So we've got 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, hang on, that's not going to work out. Because there is, oh, okay. So yeah, these are actually the, these are the numbers. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And so, yeah, it does look like they're actually done in DMC order, but that works well for me because this will work for me to be able to pour them into the bags, the pots, sorry, not the bags, the pots nice and easily. So we have a number 1, which is this beautiful purple colour. Oh, there's actually some more in there than I saw. So let's just get those in the pot. Some runaways. I think we're good. So that is number 1 done. Number 2. I like these pots are nice and clear as well, so I can see what colour is in them. If I can get these out. Now the last kit that I did, the drills were so static, and I don't understand why sometimes they are and why sometimes they're not. Like, they're not static at all, which is great. So yeah, it's a bit odd how sometimes they the drills turn up and they are super static. Let's try this way because I am right-handed. There we are, that's much better. See, those are lovely, and I don't see any junk in that at all. Really nice and clean drills in this kit. And this is just a cheapie, a budget-friendly kit from Amazon, so I cannot complain. So this is number 4. And that looks like black to me. Now there's actually, we've got some hitchhikers in there. Let's get that hitchhiker out. We've actually got 2 hitchhikers in there. Where's the pink one? Oh no, there's a white one in there as well. Oh, goodness me. I could just get these out when I come to use it, but there you go, they're gone. So we have number 4. Let's move those hitchhikers out of the way. And we have pot number 5. And it's just, oh, I've done that really awkwardly. I should have cut it from the other side. So that's another tip as well. So I discovered this after kitting up my last kit. I was cutting the plastic from the side that has the seam on, and that definitely doesn't help because it makes it more awkward to get those drills in the pot. So this is an example. So we're moving on to, so that was number 5. Here's number 6. So if I cut, so the seam is up here. So if I cut my my hole this side, then trying to pour that in is a nightmare because the seam's in the way. So always cut from the bit that doesn't have the seam, and then it's much easier to pour the drills in to the pots. Again, lovely, no static, nice and easy to get those ones in. Pot number 7, we have this blue colour, and I just leave them attached to the, I've done it a few ways. I leave them attached to the strand and then just cut up the corner, and so I don't end up with a whole load of loose packets, which like I said, I've done it a couple of ways so far, and this definitely seems to work the best for me. And I think I saw this idea on Admiral Zest's channel, which I'll leave link below because she has she's definitely inspired me and given me some ideas for my diamond painting, and yeah, just kind of, I don't know, not encouraged because I don't know her, but it's kind of got me really excited to see other people just as excited about diamond painting as what I am. So yeah, I think I saw this on her channel, which I'll leave linked in the description box down below. Oh, that one's a little tight to get the lid back on. So we are over a third of the way there now. We have number 11, and look how easily these are going in. Very little fuss at all. And then we have number 12. I wonder if I'm going to experience any static on these at any stage. Nope, perfect. So number 13, unlucky for sun. We have this burnt orange colour. And straight in with those. And then on to 14. Now, I'm not a massive fan of green, but lime green does not offend me. So actually this one, it's more like a Grinch green. That's more what the colour is. So we have 14, we're halfway there now. And then we have 15. And that is like a creamy colour. Oh, I've not cut too much off of that. Let's cut another little hole. There we are. 15, and then we have 16. Oh, something's gone wrong here. 13. Oh, bugger. Right, I don't know what happened there, but mine were in the wrong, they seem to be in the wrong order. I think 14, because here's 14, which is an orange, but I've just done 18 and 19. So I think looking at this, 19 is this lime green colour. Thank goodness they have these colours on the legend. So that is 19, not 14. And then 15 is actually 18. Oh, I don't know why I tipped those in. I could have just changed the lids. Oh, never mind. And I'm going to leave this in because it just shows that, you know, things can get confusing. So we've got 14, 15 and 16 now. I'm not too sure on how I ended up doing that, to be honest, but there we are. We've now fixed the problem and we're moving on. And 14, which is an orange, is now in its rightful place. And then 15, this is why I really should check the packets before I start pouring them in. Come on. There we go. Does anybody else talk to their drills? Make them go in the pots. That is number 15, and then 16. This one's quite a full one. I think this is probably going to be part of the background. We're going to get a whole pack in there. Yeah, we should do. That's number 16. And then moving on to number 17. And this should kit up very quickly without any static, which is great. And then, oh, we've done 18, we've done 19, so we're on to 20. So looks like we've got 2 bags for 20. Am I going to be able to get them all in? Let's see. I don't think so. But we'll give it a go. Oh, just so I actually fit 2 bags per pot, so you actually get quite a lot in each of these pots, which I love. Then we've got 21. There we go. As I said, still just no, there's maybe a little bit static, and we've got a hitchhiker in there as well, but I'm not going to worry about that one now. And we have number 22. Beautiful blue colour. There we are. And then we have 23, which should be a blue. And again, we've just got the 1 bag. Oops, I've dropped a couple of those out, never mind. I'll recover those in a second. There's one, and I think that's it. I know that one day I'm going to have a full pot and just drop them all over my desk. I know that's going to happen. I'm waiting for the day. As a crafter, I have dropped sequins all over my desk before, and that is not fun trying to clear those up, I can assure you. So 24, I lost a couple out of that as well, but I wasn't sure whether they were 23 or 24, so I'm not going to worry about those, because there should be extras in here anyway to cope with that. And then we have 25. Lovely grey colour. No one probably describes grey as a lovely grey colour, but most of the rooms in our house are grey. And then we use artwork to brighten everything up. So we have 26. There we go. And then we have the last two. We have 27. Oops. There we are. I'll just throw my scissors around there. 27. And 28. And pop all of those in there. Let's get a couple of those stragglers out. And then I am kitted up and I am ready to start on my elephant with the rainbow water. Let me know, do you remove the empty jars from your kits, from your storage when you're working on kits? Do you leave them in there? I'm tempted to almost just, I don't know how this would actually work because of the lids, but maybe turn them upside down so I know that they're not colours that I'm working with. Actually, that's probably a good idea. So I know that there is just these colours that I'm working with. Let me know how you do yours. Do you do yours by symbol? I could always scan this in, print it out on printer paper and then use those on the pots. But like I said, it's just this is a nice, quick, simple way for me to be able to do it. I'm not looking for symbols. This one isn't too bad because this one is mainly numbers and letters, which I could put alphabetically and numerically, but it's just easier for me to see G and come over here and go, that's 14, and grab out number 14. So yeah, let me know how you organise your kits when you're kitting up ready for your next project. I'd be really interested to know. So thank you very much for joining me for today's video. I'm so excited to get this one started, and I'm sure this one is not going to take me very long at all, and I'm going to be super excited when it's all finished. Really excited to see what the rendering's like on this. I'm hoping with 28 colours that it should be good, but we'll see. Yes, so thank you very much for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's video, as always, if you can give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, then please hit that subscribe button, so and also the bell, so you'll be notified when I next upload a video. And pop in the comments down below how you kit up yours, whether you do it by number, whether you do it by symbol, what storage as well you have. Do you have something similar to this? Do you use something else? Let me know. I'm really interested to know. I am very new in my diamond painting journey, so I'm sure there are other options out there that I haven't even considered or that I even know about. So please feel free to share those with me, or just come in the comments and say hi. I'd love to get to know some more diamond painting friends that are out there in the community. So thanks very much for joining me for today, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye.